Separates, 1978, is the second album released by the English punk band 999. Separates was released in America under the title High Energy Plan, with a different cover and slightly altered track listing. On High Energy Plan, Tulse Hill Night and Out of Reach are replaced by Waiting and Action. All tracks composed by Nick Cash and Guy Days, except where indicated. Side 1 Homicide, 425. Tulse Hill Night, 3 o'clock. Railreen, 324. Let's Face It, 350. Crime, Parts 1 and 2, Andy Arthurs, Cash, Days, John Watson, Pablo Labratane, 431. Side 2 Feelin' Alright with the Crew, 332. Out of Reach, Cash, Watson, 320. Subterfuge, 231. Wolf, 343. Brightest View, 338. High Energy Plan, Arthurs, Cash, Phil Chambon, 249. You Can't Buy Me, 244. Soldier, 256. Waiting, 301. Action, 303. 999 Nick Cash, Guitar, Vocals. Guy Days, Guitar, Vocals. John Watson, Bass. Pablo Labratane, Drums. Technical Alan Winstanley, Engineer. References